Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services, and today I'd like to show you a solution for the recent virus outbreak that's called, there are several flavors of this virus. One of them is Windows Prime Shield. This one here is called slightly different. Let's get that. It affects Windows 7 and Windows 8, and there's quite an easy way to fix it. So let me just wait for it to get booted up completely, and we'll talk. Looks like this virus is spread through email. So when you get something in the email that even looks legit but has links inside, do not click on any links. Do not ever click on any links from within email, even if they're from bank. If you're expecting a communication from the bank, for example, you have just changed the password and they're going to be sending you an email with confirmation, well, that's okay, you just did it. But if you wake up and there is a communication from your bank but you didn't ask for it, well, beware. This one here is called Windows Ultimate Booster, and there isn't an easy way to get rid of it forcibly, but there is an easy way to get rid of it unforcibly. So what we're gonna have to do is click on Help, click on Register. There is a registration window. That's all fake, by the way, and you do not put in your Windows key. You gotta put in this stuff. O-W O-O-O O-O-O-B-O. Okay, sorry. Those are zeros. I messed up. Let's get rid of those. Okay, so 0 W 0 0 0 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 T 0 0 E 0 0 0 1. There you go. You got the check mark. You just click register. The garbage goes away. So what it's doing in the background is it's actually removing references to itself. And it's basically an extortion system where they have placed it in front of you, and then they're removing it for you, provided you pay the money. So click X and it gives you back your Windows. Of course, this garbage is still gonna be there, but then it's removable. So then we go to Start, Control Panel, we go to Programs and Features, yeah, I know. It's gonna be throwing this stuff in front of you. Do not click on anything in here. You don't even have to X out of it. You need this window. Okay, so get rid of this stuff. Advanced System Error Protector. Now, here's a way to truly see what has been installed on your computer. You just click, or when the infection has happened, you click on, instead of sorting by name, you click by installed on. Okay, all this stuff that has been installed, like this Search Protect, that's it's just an update. Security Scan Plus, that's garbage. We got the Flash Player Reader update. redistributable, those are okay. Disk speed up, garbage. Speed up my PC, garbage. Drive scanner, garbage. Reg Cleaner Pro, garbage. You see, they were all installed on the 15th. We do not need to touch anything else. As you can see, this computer is fairly clean, but let me go through and get rid of all this trashware, it's called, including this McAfee Security Scan Plus. That one gets installed when you upgrade or update your Adobe. Okay, so you want to make sure you clean not on a highlighted, but on the one that says remove. That's what you need to do. Now, one more thing. Make sure your computer is not connected to the internet. That's number one. You disconnect it from the internet and then you do all your cleanings, because what happens is, as you uninstall these programs, and thankfully some of these things are nice enough to give you an uninstall function. As you do uninstall, it could pop up your Explorer or Chrome or Firefox, whatever one you use. See, there it is. It just popped up, and you're not connected, so you're not going to see the trash that they're going to display in front of your eyes. Okay, so we just go on cleaning this up. Reg Clean Pro. There you go. See? You have to read what they're saying. Uninstall. There it is. See? Again, popping up. We're not connected to the internet. You have to wait for this thing to go away. Okay, but still. What they're doing in the background is they're putting these timers to basically waste your time. You have to be patient. They're not doing anything in the background. They just want you to be impatient and keep clicking on stuff. So this is the way you do it. There you go. See? Say no thanks. See? That thing disappeared by itself. Alright, and it killed everything, so we're gonna go back in to Control Panel. See, these programs are very tricky. And we got this Advanced System Protector. We're gonna need to get rid of that garbage. Okay, so it's initializing. So again, see, I wasn't patient enough, and it's sometimes very difficult to be patient because you simply don't know what's happening in the background. Sometimes it could display a message that comes up behind the scenes. There it is. You see? See what they did? You have to click OK there. Are you sure? This is a very good example. I'm glad this happened. And we're not connected to the internet, and as you can see, disappeared. They were displaying the messages behind the windows. You have to know how to move windows around. If you don't know that, please take your computer to someone who knows what they're doing. As you can see, these programs are extremely tricky. Okay, remove the toolbar. Again, trash. Don't need this one. Okay. Sometimes they might trick you into restarting the computer. You don't want to restart the computer until you got all this garbage cleaned out. See, this one doesn't even have a normal OK button. Weather blink. That's total trash. total trash. Okay, video download converter, don't need that. Same thing, see? They're all popping up Internet Explorer in the background. Okay, the rest looks okay. So we're not touching this window. I don't know what kind of garbage that could bring up. So we're just restarting the computer. There is still more that needs to be done. I just run this computer in a very specific way. It's complaining about drive missing. It had 2 hard drives in there and I disconnected one. You want to be as careful as possible when you work with this garbage. Just like in a hospital, you have to care about sanitary conditions, make sure that everything's clean. Same thing here. You cannot work with these programs without having your hands washed, so to speak. You could do more damage. So that's why I disconnected the other hard drive. If it's going to do any kind of self-preservation, it might save a copy of itself to another hard drive. So as you can see, the cleaning of this system is fairly straightforward. There was a lot of background research that I had to do on this. This is not the first computer that I'm working on. See? That's good. Okay. Let's see what it's going to come up with. There is still this icon here. You right click on it, you go to properties, and you look at where, see, it's not installed program. If it's located in here, this can be deleted. And the way you do it is you open file location. This is a leftover from a virus. It's got a Google symbol on it. So we got the sysTweak, empty. Okay, we'll just drag it to the recycle bin. Okay. This file is actually started. So we want to go to Task Manager. We're gonna have this one killed and task. Alright, now we should be able to delete it. Nope, still not. File and use. Alright, now we go to processes and we kill or end the process. Alright, let's see if we could delete it. Okay, now it's deleted. sysTweak, PC, PCHC. Oops. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Okay, a lot of it is by feel. I just know that some things shouldn't be here. That's experience, guys. That's experience. Okay. Adobe is okay. Google, that's okay. Identities, that's okay. Macromedia, Media Center, okay, that's Windows, Microsoft. Okay, so that's fine. What we'll also want to do is clean out another place where viruses like to hide, and it's app data local temp. Okay, this area, let's do sorting a little differently. Let's do list. Do not need the preview. There you go. All this can go. Shift delete will wipe these files off the system. Okay, so a couple of files might be locked, which is okay. I don't know what MITS is. Printer result. Okay, because this location is used by programs, so I'm not too worried about some other stuff that may have been left in there. Right click, empty recycle bin, get rid of that stuff. Okay, but we are not done yet. We need to do a little more cleaning here. Okay, this one is gone. Shift delete. Yes. Run msconfig. Right. And those messages that were coming up when we just started the computer, they will be in the msconfig. Okay, I'm not patient. msconfig. Come on. Something might still be blocked. Control panel. Let's see what else we can dump from here. So let's get rid of these things. Redistributable. Wants a password. Yes. Let's get rid of this. These are some system things that are really not needed, and they can be re-downloaded, reinstalled. There is no password, so just click OK. Alright, my msconfig is still not working, but let me do a restart. So, as you can see, so far there are no errors, so we're good. It'd still be nice to be able to run msconfig. Let's see, msconfig. Okay, there it is. Okay. Looks like something is trapping that still. So that means there's still a virus in there. So we'll deal with it. Let's start our Internet Explorer. Oh, another thing, this ask garbage. Oh my god, I hate ask. I have no idea what the mission of the company is, but looks like they're the ones that are distributing all these viruses. That company should be shut down, put out of business. Okay, so we'll do use default. We'll delete all the browsing history, all the passwords. Then we are going to go to security, reset all levels, apply, privacy, I'll clear sites there. Let's see. Yep. Sites. Okay, no sites. Content. Don't need that. Connections. LAN settings. Make sure there's a check mark there. Programs. Manage add-ons. We want to make sure that basically everything's disabled. Okay, we get rid of this garbage. Let's see, Bing, let's set that as default. Remove, ask, definitely remove. Accelerators, nothing there. Tracking, protection, disabled. Spelling, doesn't matter. Advanced, restore advanced settings, reset. Delete personal settings and reset. Okay. This would be a complete reset of the Internet Explorer. Then you restart and it should go through welcoming. There you go. Use recommended and okay. So now we're good. Again, we're not connected to the Internet. And last thing, we right click on my computer, go to properties, or one before last. Then we go to system protection. And we want to okay, the system protection is off. So we restore. See, the virus has turned it off. Okay. So now we turn it on for both disks and create a restore point. Create. We want to go to Action Center and see what's let's see. I don't want that Action Center to remind me of anything, because